Everything must go. The 2024 Outdoor Kitchen Patio Show. Guys, everything is 70% off. If you're looking for an outdoor kitchen, now is the time. The whole showroom will be sold within the next couple days. We are looking to get rid of every unit on the floor. Everything originally, this one just sold. If you're looking for an outdoor kitchen, we just started our 0% interest financing for 72 months with approved credit. But guys, we have had 3 approvals just today. Everything in stock has to go. Everything on clearance must go. Everything in the back is 70% off. And what does that mean? That means $10,000, $11,000, $12,000. And just to show you an example, this one originally was $11,999 last week, which our regular price was $15,999. We have this right now for $95.99. We have outdoor kitchens. These are one of ones. Once they're gone, they're gone. We have financing. We ship nationwide. We deliver. We're here, 7720 Phillips Highway. We do ship nationwide, but I will take you got to take advantage of this, guys. If you're looking for a deal of a lifetime, now's the time. We have hot tubs, swim spas, outdoor kitchens, outdoor furniture now by Ashley Furniture in stock. Not to mention, we have our new website, outdoordreamcompany.com. We also are doing patio pavers, aquascapes, and a little bit of everything. So if you have any questions, give us a call. outdoordreamcompany.com, Outdoor Kitchen Expo, going on now at Outdoor Dream Company. Come and see us. This is the one-time shot to get a deal of a lifetime. This combo right here was originally $54.99 and now $13.99 a pop. If you have any questions, let us know. OutdoorDreamCompany.com. Have a great day, guys, and have a good weekend.